Have you tried purchasing sneakers at the Adidas website? On this video, we're gonna check out the Adidas website and see what they have to offer. If you're new here to the channel, this is a channel where we talk about sneakers and anything we can connect to it. We also do fitness and fashion, and soon we will be doing travel, food, and tech. So if you like this kind of contents, please consider subscribing. Currently, we have ongoing giveaways. We're gonna give 2 sneakers, Air Jordan 1 Low and Ultraboost 19s. Please check out our 250,000 mystery sneaker unboxing for the mechanics of those giveaways. I'll be posting the link of that video on top and also on the description box below. Now going back to the Adidas website, while I was checking out the Yeezy releases or the details of the Cloud White releases, I found out that they have a sale section on the website. Actually, we're kind of late already because most of the items on sale are already sold out. But there's still some or few sneakers that I think are steals that you can still purchase. So let's go through it. So guys, I'm checking out the website on my computer. So here you can see a lot of the sneakers that are on sale, 30% discounts. So here you have the Stan Smiths, the PODs, you have the Predator 19.3 trainers. You have this EQT Gazelles, different colorways, Continental 80s, 3,710 pesos only. Young 96 at 3,850. Night Joggers at 5,200. Ultraboost Laceless at 6,500. What else? Oh, Night Jogger again, a different colorway at 5,250. You have the Superstar Foundation at 3,300, which is a very classic sneakers. Another Night Jogger, EQTs, Pro Vision at 3,500, Ultraboost SNL, 5,150 pesos. So this Ultraboost SNL comes in 2 colorways. So this one is the gray, white, and red. Oh, this one is the blue, gray, and white. So these are so this is the sneakers, as you can see. It's on 30% discount. So guys, I suggest if you're interested in these sneakers, please go ahead and check out the Adidas website so you can purchase this, because I cannot guarantee how long these sneakers will still be available on this website. So this one is the black, white, gray, and red colorway of the Ultraboost SNL. So again, a nice sneakers. So please check out the website immediately as soon as you watch this video. So let's go back to the other sneakers that are available. So you have the PODs. You have Solar Glides at 455. You have the Marquee Boost at 5,250. 4.9 Marquee Boost Low. Next Level at 6,300. What else? Another Marquee Boost. LX Code at 4,550. Different colorways. Again, 30% off. So this colorway is kind of nice. You have a neon and red hits, neon black and red. So this is actually a nice colorway. Gives you a little bit, it gives a lot of pop in the sneakers. Then this is the black and red colorway, which is also nice if you want a little bit more subtle. So go for this one. Again, this one is at 4,550 pesos only, 30% discount. So yeah, I'm browsing again. Here we have the Pro Vision. This is actually a nice and light colorway. 3,500 pesos only. This colorway is called the Cream White Bahia Light Blue Cloud White. Yeah, this is actually neat and clean looking sneakers for basketball, and I'm sure this one performs. This is another colorway, but actually this is sold out already because look at the price, guys. It's 1,500 pesos only. For a basketball sneakers, this is definitely a steal. So browsing again, so you have the Ultraboost here, Dame 5s, Light Racer, Alpha Bounce. You have the D-Rose 9 and the T-Mac. Here you have the Hardens Volume 3. This is at 50% off, guys. From 7,500 to 3,750. 50% off on these sneakers. If you like Hardens, this is a very nice and clean sneakers. Nice colorway as well. Oh, those Ultraboost 19s are already sold out, so it's such a shame. They have different colorways over there. You have other Young 96, PODs again. Even Game of Thrones are on sale. Even the Game of Thrones sneakers or Ultraboost were on sale. Of course, it's already sold out. Yeah. So again, guys, I'm not gonna talk anymore. Please go ahead and check out the Adidas website and purchase whatever you want because this is the time to get them while they're on sale. So minimum of 30% discounts on those sale items, and it could reach up to 70% discount. So guys, go ahead and check this out. So guys, I hope you like this video. I hope I was able to share with you for those of you who haven't checked out the website of Adidas. So I know that there's a lot of clearance sales on outlets going on for Adidas, but actually it's the same on the website. You don't need to go to the outlet and go far away just to check out this clearance. Just to check out this clearance sale, because you can also purchase them on the website or even on your phone. So guys, thank you again for watching. I hope this video was kind of informative for some of you guys because I'm sure most of you have already checked this out and probably purchased some of the sneakers here. Anyway, that's it for this video. Again, guys, just a reminder, we have 2 ongoing giveaways. Please check the comment section down below for the details. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts because we always drop a lot of contents on those platforms, and we also post behind the scenes over there. Again, this is Manuel, and see you again in the next video.